Some people are born rich, while others spend their whole life struggling in just to survive. This is the story of a boy who was tired of being broke, tired of watching others enjoy life while he kept suffering in silence. But one decision and 1 hour of daily hard work slowly changed everything. And after years of pain, discipline, and sacrifice, his life was never the same again. He grew up in a small house where money was always a problem. Every month felt like a battle. Bills kept increasing, stress kept growing, and happiness slowly disappeared from the house. While other people his age were enjoying life, buying new things, going out with friends, and posting happy moments online, he was silently worrying about his future. Every night he would scroll through social media and compare his life to others. Expensive cars, luxury lifestyles, successful young people, and deep inside, he hated the life he was living. Not because he was lazy, but because he felt stuck. No direction, no opportunities, no confidence. Slowly, being broke started destroying him mentally. He stopped believing in himself. He became quiet, insecure, lost. And the worst part was that nobody noticed his pain. One night, while sitting alone in his dark room, he realized something that changed his entire life. Nobody was coming to save him. No one was going to magically fix his future. No one was going to make him successful. If his life was ever going to change, he had to become the reason. That night, he made a promise to himself. Even if it takes years, he would escape this life. The next morning, nothing looked different. He was still broke, still tired, still confused. But this time, he had a purpose. He started using 1 hour every single day to improve himself. Just 1 hour. While everyone else wasted time scrolling, sleeping, complaining, and escaping reality. He quietly started building himself. He watched videos to learn skills. He read about money, discipline, and success. He practiced every single night, even when he felt exhausted. Some days he wanted to quit. Some days he felt like nothing was working. Months passed and he still had no results. But he kept going. That is the difference between dreamers and successful people. Most people stop when life becomes uncomfortable, but he continued. While his friends laughed, partied, and wasted time, he stayed alone, working silently on his future. People thought he was boring. Some people even made fun of him, but he understood something they didn't. Temporary sacrifice creates permanent results. Days turned into months, months turned into years. And slowly, the boy who once hated his life started changing. His mindset became stronger. His confidence started growing. His skills improved. And one day, after years of struggle, he made his first real money. It was not millions. It was not instant success. But for the first time in his life, he finally felt hope. That small success changed everything, because now he understood that hard work was actually working. So he worked even harder. He stayed disciplined, focused, consistent, and over time, his entire life transformed. The boy who once felt weak, broke, and lost became someone people respected. Not because he was lucky, not because life was fair to him, but because he chose discipline when everyone else chose comfort. And the truth is, there are thousands of people living exactly like that boy right now, broken mentally, lost financially, waiting for their life to magically improve. But life only changes when you do. Maybe you don't need to change everything overnight. Maybe you just need 1 hour a day, 1 hour to learn, 1 hour to improve, 1 hour to build the future you dream about. Because small actions repeated every day can completely change your life. And one day, the pain, the struggle, and the sacrifices will all make sense. The question is, will you keep making excuses, or will you finally start? Years from now, your life will reflect the choices you make today. You can keep waiting for the perfect moment, or you can start building your future right now. Because success doesn't belong to the smartest people or the luckiest people. It belongs to the people who stay consistent when everyone else gives up. And if this story motivated you, subscribe and start becoming the person you were meant to be.